In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at the MockUp feature in Canva. So here in Canva, and I have a free account, I'm not using the Pro version. Here in Canva, we're going to the left side and we're going to click Apps. And in Apps, you see MockUps. And if you don't see MockUps, you can search for it here. When you click MockUps, you get all these different types of MockUps which you can use for your project. Let's say I'm going to choose this one, and then you click it, and it opens up a template thing you can use. And when you choose Select, or maybe you want something else and you can choose that here. When you choose Select, it will open this up and you can upload an image which you want to use. Choose Upload, and here is uploading. And then I'm going to click this and choose Next. And as you can see here, Canva has placed this image into the mockup option. You can adjust it. So I'm going to enlarge it a bit so it's filling the complete painting in this, like this. Then I'm going to choose Save. And as you can see now, I have placed my image inside of this frame as a mockup. So you can do all sorts of mockups here in Canva. You can save your mockup, adjust the image, choose something else you want to create a mockup with. And it's really as easy as that. There are pro versions. Should have mentioned that also. You can see this watermark and it's also saying pro. You can use this to see how it will look, but you cannot remove the watermarks. And here you can see that these are all pro suggestions. This one, however, isn't a pro suggestion. You do not have the watermarks. And then again, you can select the image you want to use, place it inside of your mockup, adjust the image, going to smart crop it like this, and then save the image. And now you have your mockup all ready for you. It's really as easy as that. It's a free app inside of Canva. You can use it with a free account. You also have pro options inside of the mockup versions. You get to choose all sorts of mockups, a cup, a phone, t-shirts, posters, cards, all possible, and lots of them are also free. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press that subscribe button to see more of my videos. I have new ones going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.